got a severe storm coming in. It's severe warned right now, as you can see. It is severe warned right now. I don't know if we'll get another one or not. It's pushing in though. The cat decided to join the party as well, to watch the storm. Just run-of-the-mill severe thunderstorm warning. It's just 60-mile-an-hour winds, and that's about it. Nothing much, really. Should be almost here. Does look like some parts of the storm are moving to our south, but still getting a bulk of it.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, west central Cannon County in Middle Tennessee until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Murfreesboro, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and pea-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Gonna let the cat in. Here comes the wind finally. Pushing in.
Mile markers 75 and 95. Interstate 840 between mile markers 53 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, there's a new severe thunderstorm warning. It just pushed out. 60-mile-an-hour winds and now pea-sized hail, sounds like. Starting to come down now. It ain't 60-mile-an-hour winds, but it's definitely coming down. The rain is starting to come down at least.